Hey there, welcome to AutoDrill. Thanks for visiting our video today. Do you have a CNC machine that you wish that you could start applying to those bulk projects where you've got the same thing over and over, but you want the accuracy and the reliability of your CNC machine? We here at AutoDrill make multi-spindle solutions to tackle those bulk volume projects that would otherwise tie your CNC machine up for just way too long. But with these manually loaded heads, we can attack a specific pattern that you have over and over. We can also give you a versatile, adjustable head that you can use for a variety of patterns. So maybe you've got two small pieces that have a close center to center, and maybe one of them has a wider center to center. Well, we could put a part over here and a part over here, or we could do a bolt circle pattern with this head, like a wheel, something along those lines, a pulley, and pop a bunch of them out. Or we could do a small bolt circle. We could do 3 holes, 4 holes. We can do custom holes. We can do 22 holes. Tell us what you need to do. Give us a call here at AutoDrill 1-800-871-5022, or visit us on the web at www.autodrill.com. We'll be happy to have our sales techs talk with you about what problems you have, but give us some comments in the feed. How would you use a custom multi-spindle head in your shop to make yourself more productive? Give us a shout. Let us know your ideas. Thanks and have a great day.